Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. In today's video, wanted to talk about affiliate programs. And I really would love to hear what other people who are in affiliate programs have to say regarding feeling like you're putting the effort, you're showing sales, and the company doesn't even want to communicate with you. There's no sort of partnership. And you would think you're promoting a company and it's something that you want to work together on. Now, I will say I do have some great relationships and where I feel it's a partnership where they'll send a new product, a new something for me to use of their product because they want me to be product of the product. And I think that's awesome. And then you'll even get affiliate companies or companies with their affiliate programs, you'll apply, and then they don't even respond back until you've reached out to them and saying, hello, through email, did you get my application? And do you want to move forward? Some will just ignore because they just don't really have someone manning it for some reason, or they finally do and like, oh, sorry. And so I've found that's the case sometimes. But I look at affiliate program really as a partnership, and I'm finding some companies struggle. And you would, again, hope that it's going to be a good relationship, that they'll get behind you to help promote. And even I reached out to one company and I said, hey, I need to get a new pair of your recovery shoes, and could you offer me a discount which I could then use to continue promoting your brand, or do you want to send me a new color? And granted, they did send me a pair, and I had won a pair because I helped market them, and they used actually my videos last summer, and they don't want to even give me a discount on the product. So to me, it's so disappointing when companies aren't even willing to invest in you even for a discount. And it really is a shame. And I'm wondering, for those of you who are in affiliate programs, do you find the same thing? I understand companies need to make money, and not every company can afford to give away free products. That I completely understand. But if they can't even offer you a discount as an affiliate, and you want to promote their product because you like their product, that's when you, including me, I need to say, well, it's time for me to move on. But one of the things too is companies, and I don't even think they think about this, is you become a customer, you can spread, encouragement about the company, or you could, today you got a lot of review options out there. You could put reviews about the company and the experience. So I hope companies do really get behind those affiliates that truly do work, try and promote, do produce, and make it feel like it's a partnership. So I just thought I would share that. I love the affiliate programs that I'm in, and again, the companies I work with, because I feel like they're investing in me and I need to invest in them. And it's a lot of fun and it's rewarding when you could make money. So anyway, love to see what your thoughts are. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you find programs where they appreciate you and you appreciate them and bring you lots of success. Have a great day.